it's time to get more. From beauty to gore.
I would love to work in Hollywood. I want to be a makeup artist for like movies and stuff.
More's with the budding artists out of the Pacific Northwest before they make it big. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to More. I'm Stephanie Kralovich. Thanks so much for joining us today. It takes a special kind of makeup to create the monsters, zombies, and other oddballs you see on shows like Grimm, shot here in Portland, or the hit series The Walking Dead. Well, now some aspiring makeup artists are learning the secrets behind those creepy characters. Our own Jenica Villamore is giving us a look at the Art of Makeup summer camp happening up in Vancouver. Hi there, Jenica.
Hey, Steph. Well, it's designed for students looking to turn makeup into their career. Now, kids across the Northwest are making their way to Vancouver to learn everything from beauty to special effects.
I love The Walking Dead, so I want to do makeup for them or for Grimm.
Turning people into monsters is art at its finest for these high schoolers. For Zoe Shank of Seattle, it's the dream job.
I would love to work in Hollywood. I want to be a makeup artist for like movies and stuff.
She's one of many students who made the trip to Vancouver's Art of Makeup School. Today is all about special effects.
I have been zombified here. There's liquid latex and cotton up here to like kind of like make, I guess, my bone structure like seem like hollowed out. So my eyes are like further back, and then there's like gelatin on like my cheeks and my forehead and like my chin where they like tapped it and like made it like kind of like, pulled at it to make it look pretty gross, and then they like painted my face up and put in like bruising and stuff like that to make me seem more dead, and then covered my mouth in blood.
Instructors demonstrate how to make cuts and bruises as real as possible.
So much fun. I love makeup. I've been doing makeup for like 9 years, and I've been like messing around with it for so long, and I've just always loved like painting my face and stuff like this, so getting to like meet a bunch of people who like enjoy the same stuff as me, it's really nice.
I'm trying to go for like a ripped jaw look, so I'll probably put some jagged edges up with some scar wax and make her look really creepy.
Being in the class has just been so much fun, and this is the first time I've done FX makeup, so it's kind of weird and uncomfortable, but I'm learning.
Candace Burwell of LA is hoping the certification at the end of the program helps jumpstart her career.
I made a wound on one of the girls' wrists, and it looked so real. It was so crazy.
The 4-day summer camp covers everything from zombie to high-fashion beauty makeup.
We learned contouring and highlighting. Everybody was kind of like going vogue and doing all these really cool looks.
A full-blown experience and a glimpse of the Hollywood world of makeup.
More professional versus like being just messing around in my room. You get to practice on other people too, not just yourself.
Being able to do all of this is a lot of fun, especially when you get to see the end product.
Gosh, that looks like so much fun. Now, one of the summer sessions is going on right now, but there are other sessions beginning in the fall. You can find out more information on how to sign up online. Now, coming up, the Art of Makeup School was founded by LA native Celena Rubin. Steph, since its opening in 2012, many artists have gone on to some big projects, and we'll have more on that coming up.
Some talented artists there. Jenica, thanks so much. Well, from high fashion beauty to transforming someone into a monster, a unique camp shows you how to do all those Hollywood looks. Our own Jenica Villamore tells us about the Art of Makeup program up in Vancouver. Hey there, Jenica.
Hey, Steph, I'm not going to lie. This looks like a lot of fun. Many kids from across Oregon and Washington sign up because they want to make this into their career. I visited on Special Effects Day, one of several focuses during the 4-day camp. Instructors taught teens how to create bruises and wounds. Celena Rubin opened the school in 2012 after a long career in LA, and many graduates have successful careers now, including a woman who works with the key costumer on Grimm.
Very exciting for me, and I feel really proud, like they're my little makeup babies. So I love it, and it's not only her. I mean, I hear all the time, you know, people working on independent film productions, or you know, they're already like working with Nike or other, you know, major advertising brands.
Now, students told me this was their favorite day of the camp because they got to transform each other into monsters and zombies. Other days focus on character makeup and, of course, beauty, where kids learned the basics of highlighting and contouring. Now, a summer camp is in session right now, but there are other camps coming up in the fall. You can find out how to sign up online. And Steph, it just looks like a blast.
I want to attend because I still, after all these years, have no clue how to put my TV makeup on.
I know, me either. We should try a zombie look one day, see how that goes.
Yeah, see how that goes over. Okay, thanks so much, Jenica. Well.